Ni hao, welcome back. Having a stuffy nose is so annoying, right? This is not only a breathing problem, it may also cause headache, dizziness, and so on. In this video, we'll do an acupressure routine that can help unblock your nose in just 5 minutes. Without further ado, let's get started. We'll begin by stimulating yintang point, which translates to spirit paradise. It's an efficient point for brightening your eyes, clearing your nose, and calming your mind. I've also introduced it in a video for good night sleep, and I'll put the link here. The yintang, or the spirit paradise point, is right here in the middle of your eyebrows. Let's press it with 2 fingers or your thumb for 1 minute. Second point is bitong, which literally means nose decongestion. To find it, give me a smile, and 2 nasolabial folds will appear. The starting point of the folds right beside the nose. Here is the bitong point. Press it with your index finger for 1 minute. Moving on to the third point, we have yintang, which translates to grating aroma. As its name says, applying pressure to this point can help clear your nose and you'll be able to smell the aroma. To locate it, again on these nasolabial folds, by the same head as the wings of the nose. Here you'll notice a slight depression where when you press, you feel a little bit pain. That's the yintang, or the grating aroma point. We'll press it with index finger for 1 minute. final step is to stimulate the nose reflex area on your hands. It's an L-shaped area on the inner side of your thumb. Which side is the inner side? Reach your hands forward like this, and the upper side of each finger is inner side. Let's press it for 1 minute. Now let's do the same on the other hand. Oh, I feel my nose are clearer now. How about you? Share your feelings in the comments down below. And if you'd like to see more healthcare video from me, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'll see you very soon. Bye!